Hey everyone, I'm Rachel.
And I'm David.
Join us for a tour of Tokyo Disney's Toy Story Hotel.
Let's go!
The Tokyo Disney Resort Toy Story Hotel opened in 2022 and is a moderate-type resort themed around the Toy Story franchise. It's located directly across the street from the Bayside monorail station, which you do have to take in order to access either of the Disney parks. There are two sides of the hotel, one themed to Woody and the other themed to Buzz Lightyear. Though the elevator lobbies and hallways are themed to those characters, the rooms are exactly the same on both sides.
The rooms accommodate either 3 or 4 people with 2 twin beds, a trundle, and a pull-down bed in some rooms. They offer views of the main entrance, Tokyo Bay, or the Toy Friends Square courtyard that's inside of the hotel. We stayed in a standard room and got really lucky with a Tokyo Bay view. Let's take you on a tour.
All right, here's our cute little room key. All right, we did get the Woody side. So this is our room. And look at the cute hangers with all the different colors. It looks like Andy's room, if you're familiar with Toy Story. And we got these cute slippers that you can take home with you. So let's start in the bathroom, I guess. So this is the bathroom. I love these little bubbles.
Those
They're
are
so
cute. I didn't see those.
Yeah. And it's like good lighting for doing your makeup and stuff in the morning. And look at all the amenities with the hair tie and some cotton swabs and some tissues. Nail branded and then a little washcloth. We've got a hairbrush. All right.
Oh, it's like a tiny one.
And toothbrushes. They're all Toy Story themed. That's
Cool.
so cute. Face and hand soap. These look like red Solo cups.
Oh, yeah.
They're not-
feel that.
They're a real cup.
Oh, it is. Yeah. There's a hairdryer down there.
All right, let's see. I mean, it's very compact. And actually, it seems like it's going to be a good hairdryer.
That's not too bad?
Yeah.
Huh.
I don't know. I think it's going to be a good hairdryer. Seems powerful. It's got a little stool in case you have a little one that needs help getting to the sink. And then we have tissues here, too.
Cool.
All right, let's see what. I don't know what any of these buttons are yet because we just got here. But that is your toilet closet. It's got the bidet attachment on it, so it's going to be keeping it extra clean.
Instructions aren't in English, but it's pretty self-explanatory.
Yeah, there's pictures, which is nice. Here is the shower room.
Oh, yeah.
So it's like a full room with shower.
Oh, he's cute.
And a tub. Oh, he is adorable. Yeah, and so you can shower out here, or you can get in the tub. But and you can move this, can stay down here, or it can go up there.
Oh, yeah.
So you can have it higher.
I got shampoo, conditioner, and body wash over here. That was like a big sliding door. Yeah, it's a huge mirror.
It is. You can fit like 2 people in that full-size mirror.
We got some Woody stamps, some Rex advertisements. The Mickey watch is really cute. Doesn't do anything, but it's like
adorable.
very vintage.
It is.
It's cool. So this is like a tea kettle. It's electric. It's not plugged in by default. But
There's a plug there though, so that's nice.
Yeah. Boom. Just goes like that.
And then down here, there's some cups, some mugs, and some coffee, and like instant coffee.
Similar thing. It feels like it's going to be cheap, but it's actually really quality. And yeah, these are cool.
Some sugar.
We have here instant green tea. Yeah, sugars, some stirs. Here's like a water pitcher. So if you want to do anything with that, here's a little ice bucket.
It's so tiny.
It is. It's really small. But
and tissue.
The ice room actually looked really nice. I saw it on the way up here. And then yeah, tissues. Pretty good quality tissues.
Let's see what's in these drawers, if there's anything.
Drawers. That's interesting that this handle swings out.
Oh, that's the safe.
You got the safe with a little flashlight. Oh, whoa, actually, not a little flashlight. This is like this guy is pretty hardcore. So that's pretty cool. I assume there's some kind
for safety.
Yeah. So that's pretty sweet, actually. That's like the nicest one I've ever seen in a room. And then I find that interesting, but
we
got some pajamas.
Pajamas.
Let's pull them out. Just take a look. Good look out. I like these buttons being different colors. That's really cute.
And just so everybody knows, you can wear these in your room, but you should not take these with you.
Yeah.
These are things that the hotel keeps. So anything that's in plastic wrap, like the fuzzy slippers, you can take those. But if it's, something that looks like it can be washed, they will keep those.
Yeah, so they wash these and reuse them. So,
but you're welcome to wear them while you're staying here.
Keep that in mind. My opinion of my first impressions of these is it feels kind of scratchy.
Yeah, they're like waffle knit. That's
yeah,
what
well, yeah, very, yeah, that makes sense. Nice option at least, anyway. So bottom drawer looks like there's just different sizes.
That's good.
Yeah. We got a refrigerator,
which we've already put some stuff in.
Yes, we have. This one feels a little dated, to be honest, but pretty good cold air coming out of there. Not too bad. I don't see like an adjustment thing for you.
Got Rex over here.
Yeah.
Our cute little lamp that looks like the Pixar lamp.
Yeah, so I was telling Rachel that this is probably the most themed hotel I've ever stayed at.
Look. So you get these postcards, and they are included, so you can,
That's a really good one because it's
it's the actual hotel. That's what it looks like outside, which we'll show you.
Yep.
But and there's multiple, so you can take them all home with you, and then there's stationery that's themed. I don't know if the pen is or not. Doesn't look like the pen is, but you don't want to obviously take this whole leather thing, just the stationery with you.
Got a nice little seat here. No back on it, but we got 2 different trash cans here. Other than that, it's cute little light. It looks exactly like the Pixar mascot.
It does.
It's pretty cool. Actually, this is like ridiculous quality. Like it feels like it's like super heavy duty. Interesting. Anyway, and you got a little room phone, nice remote. I'll go over it.
It's very nice remote, actually.
Yeah, we got some side options here. They have Netflix included, it looks like.
The TV looks like an Etch-a-Sketch.
I absolutely love that. I grew up with an Etch-a-Sketch. That's like my jam. These do not articulate, so.
Well, I didn't think they would.
Oh, there's a bed in
There's
here.
A bed in there, yep.
I don't know. Let's see. Can we get a little peek at it? Oh my god, look how cute those are.
Oh.
So that reminds me of that like Disney emoji game a little bit.
Oh yeah, it does, yeah.
I think that buzz is from that game almost.
Look how cute it is.
But
that's just a twin size bed.
It definitely feels pretty firm.
Yeah.
But you know how it goes. I'll give the people a thorough review here. Let me see. Okay, you can definitely feel the horizontal bars or wood panels and underneath it.
So your lighter, maybe your kids, people that don't have trouble sleeping.
Yeah, David probably shouldn't be on that. We'll keep it simple. So there's that. This comes down very, very easily. Like I'm just doing a one finger.
That's nice. And it's cute that it's themed whether it's up or down.
Yeah, I love the wagon actually. That's really cute. So very on point. We got Mr. Ham over here. And the TV has like no mobility. So I would consider this HDMI port literally impossible to get to because there's no universe where you should be pulling this off of the wall. So this one's a loss. So at least they have Netflix on there.
That's true. All of these rooms come with 2 twin beds and then obviously trundle. I believe there's actually a second trundle somewhere under one of them.
Oh, okay.
But so we won't be sleeping together. But they're pretty firm. Oh, it's pretty firm.
Is it?
But it's not like uncomfortably so. Like I don't think I'm gonna have trouble sleeping.
Okay.
It's probably, but I would say it's either a 6 or a 7 as far as comfort for me.
That's not bad.
So for the bed, we didn't talk about the lamp switches on and off right here. So down here we have our plugs near the bed, and it's a USB, and then there's a regular plug, but make sure that if you're from the US, you don't have the ones that have the 3-prong, because it's only 2-prong. And so there's one on each side. So that's actually a pretty decent amount of plugs.
Actually, yeah.
And the one other thing about the bed, these are reading lights. You can just push it in on them, and they come out. They don't move around. So if you don't want your light right there, then you're not going to want to use these. Yeah.
All right. Rachel says a 6 or a 7. I'm skeptical. I give it like a 5.5, maybe. That's pretty average. The plushness of the comforter, though, actually feels pretty nice.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of help there, I think. The stars are very cool.
Above the bed.
I didn't expect that.
So that's really cute. And you can see Buzz right there, and the curtains have stars all over them. But we got a bay view, which you can actually see really well out here. But you can also see, if you look to the distance past that last hotel,
I can show them right there.
That's the Tower of Terror. So we are excited to ride that. But the air conditioner is on, and I can actually feel it too. So that's an improvement.
I'll show them here.
Of our last hotel room.
So it looks like there's actually two. So this is the output vent right here, and the intake vents over there, and we got a little thermometer here. Pretty standard. It's got some English and some Japanese for you, but it actually goes up by point decimal, which is interesting. But obviously, if you know us by now, it's going all the way down as far as humanly possible, which is 18 degrees Celsius.
The fan button changes the mode.
So it's low, medium, or high. And you can switch it. So 64 degrees is as low as it goes. So honestly, I heard it physically change. Yeah, we actually heard it. So it is actually doing something. I can't attest to how good it is yet, but we'll keep you guys updated. This one also does the stars. So other than that, I think it's a gorgeous room. Like I said before, it's so themed. It's ridiculous. It's really, really cute. I can see why people travel from all over the world to take advantage of this hotel. And there's a little desk right there that we didn't talk about. Sorry. But yeah. So this is your do not disturb sign. It's actually magnetic, and it was on the inside of the door. But your door is magnetic, so you can just put it on your door if you don't want to be disturbed. We paid $323 for one night, which is right in the middle of the range that I saw online of between $200 and $500, depending on the time of year. The perks of staying here include Happy Entry, also known as Early Entry, at both Disneyland and Tokyo DisneySea. You get in 15 minutes early at Disneyland and 5 to 15 minutes early for DisneySea, depending on crowd levels. They also have free luggage storage and transfer service to or from another Disney hotel. Also, staying at a Disney hotel guarantees you can purchase a park ticket for the dates of your stay. There are kiosks in each hotel to buy the tickets, or you can purchase them online. The parks can sell out, so the guaranteed entry is a nice cushion if you're traveling for your visit. While the price may seem a little high for a moderate resort, we think it's a must-do for any Toy Story fan. The theming that you're transformed into a toy is super cute and goes throughout the entire hotel. The lobby is adorable, and we love the giant Etch-a-Sketch that welcomes you inside. The hotel has its own merchandise shop called Gift Planet, which is mostly filled with merchandise that fits its theme, and a convenience store that's a great place to get some provisions either before or after going into the parks. They also have a buffet-style restaurant called Lotso Garden Cafe, which you can make reservations for regardless of if you're staying there or not. There's a guest services counter, laundry facility, and home delivery service for those that live in Japan. The Toy Friends Square in the center of the hotel is a play area with statues of some of your favorite characters and room for kids to run around and play. But there's even more room for that in Slinky Dog Park outside of the front entrance, with giant books, Candyland trails on the ground, and even more character statues that make you feel like you're in Andy's room. It's especially pretty when lit up at night. Overall, the theming really sets this hotel apart, as do the amazing cast members. Everyone was extremely friendly, helpful, and really made the experience unforgettable. But now that we've shown you around the Toy Story Hotel, let's go have some fun at Tokyo Disneyland. Hey everybody, thanks for joining us on our overview of the Toy Story Hotel at Tokyo Disney Resort. Yeah, I gotta say, the hotel is themed so much more than I thought it was going to be. Yes. It's gorgeous. It's super clean. All the paint is perfectly fresh. And you see all the videos online, and I kind of don't think it really does it justice. No, it's so bright and so vibrant, and it's just you're a toy, and you're just walking around in Andy's room, and it's just really fun. Yeah, and when you start seeing the kids that are dressed up and stuff, and there's a whole different magic to it. It's in an amazing spot, obviously, and the staff has been incredible. So I really can't say enough nice things about it. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content from us, please like the video on YouTube and subscribe to our channel.
Until next time, I'm Rachel.
And I'm David.
And we hope this video helped you find the right direction for your next adventure. Bye!